Which one is steak? Steak? I don't know. You have a steak, right?
The dish,
Steak.
we have tacos, we have burritos, we have,
Oh no, it's not taco, like dishes.
but
Meat.
it's this one.
Meat is steak, right?
The
This
carne
is
asada.
pork in chill. Pork. Hello, beautiful people. We are at the Mexican restaurant. Oh my God. She got kids quesadilla and I got asada. I cannot wait to see how is the taste.
They have little with yours. Actually, you have more than I thought.
Oh my God. Oh my God, so good. Mm. I'm just gonna try some steak like this. Look. Mm. This restaurant is so busy. Oh my God, let me show you around. Oh my God, full of people. Let me show you the food. There is a lot of ingredient. Mm. Some of these with rice. Mm. We're gonna have some of these bean, rice, and some of this steak. I will give it to Liana, she can try. Rice, steak. I forgot to put veggie and I forgot to add some of these for you. This is avocado. Is it good? Mm. Some of these veggies. Mm. What is that?
Oh, that's pepper.
Jalapeno.
Yeah,
I think this is spicy.
you try it first. Oh no, my mom cooks that. Try it. Spicy?
Extremely spicy. Do not eat this. No.
No. My mom makes the non-spicy one.
Yeah, no. I'm gonna put some fry, some steak, some of these bean, and some of these.
You took my flies. Oh, thanks.
See, how is the taste?
The other one was very good.
Some of these bean, rice. I'm gonna add jalapeno because I'm gonna eat it, not you. Jalapeno. Some of these steak. Oh. Some salad. Some fry. Oh my God, what is that? That is bomb.
Big bite.
Mmm. 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 Mmm, that's good. Let's make another one. Put some rice. Some rice. Some rice.
Huh?
You don't want to do it? One more. Some steak. Some this fry and enjoy Liana, huh? That's really good. Steak, rice. Oh my God, this.
Oh, my drink. Let me go get my drink.
Mm.
Oh my God, I remember these drinks. Everybody, I have not been here for a very long time, but I still remember my favorite drink.
Let me see. Can I please try it? Can I?
Swallow your food.
Okay, now. Too sweet. It looks like a milkshake.
No, it
Is it coconut? It's so good, but it's too sweet for me. I don't eat sweet with food. Can I have one quesadilla? Yeah?
Not bad.
Okay.
add a little bit of my tortilla.
Thank you. Mm. Mm. That was good. Oh my God. Liana, you did not eat your food. She liked my food. Steak. Mm.
I have steak too.
Mm. So good. Oh my God. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye.